Go to the inspection screen and tap on it in the tablet to open up the inspection. Tap on and add the technician name. It's in waiting because it hasn't begun. And take a look at each part. Each inspection point, as you see right here, is a 4-point process. The first thing that you should do is take a look and see what the technician finds. So example, if the lights are okay here, technician taps there, hits OK. And you can even add a description to that to build a little more value in your inspection point since you're not finding anything there. And there it is. Hit OK here. Go down to recommendation because everything's okay. It's pretty straightforward. Again, just tapping your way through. Hit the green squatch. And as you can see, the inspection is now set in process. That's going to send a signal up to your main service desk and let your service advisor know. Last but not least, we want to take a picture even if the items are good. And the reason for this is because if all the lights work today and they come back next week and say one light's not working, we now have evidence that the lights were working. On the other side, we also want to build a more balanced inspection. So take a picture of the headlights in the vehicle. Show your customer what you're talking about, that you actually inspected the vehicle. Hit OK. And there you go. Move on to the next point. Wipers and washers. Technician immediately realized that the wipers were in bad shape. So they tap right on the red swatch and it automatically builds up information that you build in the system that lets you choose right off the bat and make things work. Also your tech findings right here. What did he find? Wipers torn, front and rear. And hit OK. And again, the last part of this process, and you can do whatever order you wish, is to take a picture. And when you take a picture, you want to be sure that you show the actual concern. So aim the tablet, take a picture of the wiper issue, hit OK if the picture is good. And here's one of the things that we need to know. We have to be sure that we show the customer exactly where the problem is. So if this is where the wipers are, you might want to draw on the picture. You see I opened the picture back up to draw on the picture and point the customer in that right direction. If that's not good enough, you can back out, come back in, and now draw again, showing the picture that the wipers are not working. You hit the save finger up here, and it's going to become part of the inspection and back out, and that's the basics of the inspection. Now, if you have an item on the list that does not apply to this vehicle, for example, maybe differential, front differential in a two-wheel drive vehicle, do not touch that line. And what that's going to do for you is that line, that front differential inspection point, is going to be taken out when you render it and send it to a customer.